Hallo en welkom by die laaste dag van waar alles goed tot die einde kom. Ons praat bietjie met Rex en Ronel van Tiny Big House. Nou, bekostigbare mobiele behuising kan jy hierso kry. Hulle gaan ons bietjie vertel, wie is Tiny Big House en hoekom moet jy nou aan ons Hallo Rex, hallo Ronel.
Hallo.
Hello everyone.
Baie goed, dankie. Boere groete vir almal.
So, tell us a bit, the Tiny Big House, who are you, where are you based, how can we get in contact with the Tiny Big House?
Okay, thanks. Great question. Right, people. So what we do is we do affordable housing, we do modular housing, and here on the show today we have one of our entry-level units. It's 3 meters by 4 meters. It's meant to be a storeroom. It can be accommodation, and it can be a room for your saddles and tack. On this side we have an ablution that goes with it. This ablution sells for 29,000. The shed sells for 39,000. If you put them together, we get them at 68,000. And here we have an affordable space with a ensuite ablution. If you move out on this way, we go up the range and then we look into our pod homes where we are able to build modular pod homes. It's more an upmarket type of finish, but today we're focusing on our affordable, relocatable type of accommodation that we have.
So, the combination of these two is nice for like, when you've got like animals in the field and you just want to have your grazer, a place to sleep and to just keep an eye over the cattle, or as you said, a nice storeroom that you can have in the field, especially when now you're harvesting and you know you get breakdowns. So this can work like a nice storeroom just for pods, and when you're done you can just put it on the back of the truck and you can move it wherever you want to.
Exactly. What makes it nice is that it is lightweight. It only weighs 650 kilograms. The toilet weighs 410 kilograms. So you can actually move it on the back of a tractor trailer. We can put it down here with 8 of the lads. We can put it in position. And what's nice is it's easily moved. So it's not difficult to say now you have to bring a rollback to move it. You can pick it up and take it around the farm as and when you need it.
Now quickly tell us, what sizes do we get the pods in? I know that's an ablution one, so that's a smaller size, but the pod on your left hand side, my right hand side, what sizes do you get them in?
This is our entry level, comes in 3 by 4 meters.
Yeah.
Our actual pods that you see in the middle here, which we explained earlier, the standard size is 3,2 by 7,2. That's 22 square meters, and they are sold and built in Rayton, where our factory is next to Mardas, and they are fully furnished.
So in here locally in Rayton.
Correct. Now, if you want to take it one step further as far as the solar power is concerned, my partner Ronel over here, they take care of the solar power and all of that. So it makes it a complete project, which is actually very easy and comprehensive because there's nothing for you as a client.
Whatever you need, it's tiny and affordable.
Correct, yes.
Ja, and it's got elektrisiteit en water, so ons kan dit doen. Ons kan die bedrading doen. Ons is absoluut dis ons groot besigheid. So ons is in sinergie met Tiny Big House wat ons verskaf die solar, die elektrisiteitsbedrading en dan natuurlik die waterbeheer ook. Want wat jy nie meet nie, sal jy nie weet nie.
Net sir, sorry Ronel, wat se maatskappy werk jy vir?
Ons het ons eie maatskappy in partnership met Rex. Dis GRC Utility Metering. Ekskuus vir die afleiding.
Waar is julle gebaseer?
Ook in Donkerhoek. Ons maar ons gaan nou saam met Rex in die fabriek inbeweeg.
Okay, so daai vennootskap is vir julle baie belangrik. Rex, what does the partnership mean with GRC, with Ronel? Does that make your, can I say, setup complete? Not that there's ever an issue, but having an in-house expert in electricity and plumbing, does that take a load off your mind?
Okay, look, that's a great question because obviously once you put the house down, electricity is an opportunity that we can actually present to the client on a daily basis.
Rex, my last question, how do we get, as the farmers, how do we get the Tiny Big House onto our farm?
Okay, very easy. What you do is you contact us. We have a sign-on fee that brings us out to the farm. It takes 4 to 6 weeks to manufacture in the factory. Depends on how big the project is. It'll be a month to 6 weeks on site, and then we hand it over as a completed project.
And then after sales, after completion services, do you come and if there's like an issue, do you
That was a lot of speaking, eh? Thanks, buddy.
want to do an outro?
I appreciate it.
That was Rex and Runel